Hey guys, Andy here, and today I'm going to teach you how to auto-create vertical videos for TikTok and Instagram using Auto Reframe in Adobe Premiere Pro. And so what we're going to do is we're going to select our video, go up to Sequence, and then go down to Auto Reframe Sequence. And from there you have some aspect ratios to choose from, or you can put in your own custom one. But in this case, we'll just select vertical 916. And you can also adjust your motion preset as well, but the default works pretty good. So we'll hit Create. And so now that we have the sequence all done, I'll just play you a small little snippet of it just so you guys can get an idea. And it's just that easy. So yeah, that's how you can auto-create vertical videos for TikTok and Instagram using Auto Reframe in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you liked this tutorial, be sure to give a like and subscribe for more tutorials. And if you have a question about Adobe Premiere Pro, be sure to leave it in the comments down below and your question could be the next tutorial. This is the Andy San, signing off for now, and as always, we'll see you next time. Bye guys.